kids, it's Gus! Are you ready to draw? Today we're drawing Paul. Let's start by drawing a rectangle with the top open. Okay, on this side of the paper, draw a long line down like this, and across the bottom, and up. Woohoo! Great lines! Next, we'll do his nose by drawing an L in the middle here. And then back at the top, make a little tiny line coming down about halfway. Go to the end of that line we just made and connect it to this line to finish his nose. Now to make his eyes. Draw 2 big circles on each side of his nose with 2 smaller circles inside. And then color in the small circles. All right. Let's draw his beard. We need to draw a line across his face, but careful! We don't want it to go through his nose, so draw 2 small lines on either side, like this. And put an extra little line right there. Oh, don't forget his smile! Perfect! Go right up here to the middle of this line to make a little C for his ear. And for his 2 eyebrows, do a little line here and a little line there. You got it! Okay, now we need to do his hair. Let's start by making 2 dots. Put 1 dot here above his eyebrow, and another dot about a finger away up and to the left. Now make some curved lines around this way to make, a big squished heart. Have it end at the other point we made. And go to the side of his face right about here, and do another heart shape on the side, like this. Now go right about here, and make a straight line across. Good. Now look here. We're gonna make some more poofs for his hair that go from here to here. Okay, we can do it. 1 poof, 2 poofs, 3 poofs. Nice poofs. Go inside his poof here, and we're gonna make 2 U shapes up to here. Wow, that looks great. We drew Paul. Thanks for drawing with me. Bye.